Hey, Naveen this side. So today we will discuss few of the topics regarding currying function. So what is currying? What is the basic idea of the currying? How can we implement it? Just like it's like this is the code. We can show to you. And the next is, can we achieve the same thing that Lodash did it without using Lodash? Can we do the currying generic way like it can do the work for us? So that we will see in this video. So firstly, what is currying? So currying is just like a technique in computer science through which multiple argument function is converted into the sequence of functions that take a single argument at a time. So that is a currying. Okay. So can we make a generic functions just like Lodash? The answer is yes. And how we will do it, that if we can show next step. So I can show you how can we make the generic like normal currying. So you can just see it's a normal function that have multiple argument. I want, like when I'm calling it, will not return me the result at a time. I am passing giving it one by one. So just like one by one, and it maintain the scope of it or not to use any caching part of it. So for that perspective, currying is the best use. So here is the, you can see the currying we made the currying function. So here is the currying function is there, and this currying is what it will do. It will take just like a function as argument, whatever function you're calling upon. It's a generic thing. It's taking three argumented values. Okay, but it's not generic. It's like is coupled with the arguments, like it's limited with three arguments right now. Okay, so that is a thing. So it's doing multiplication, so you can mark them. Firstly, it should be sound like yeah, whatever the name is, it should be sound like same operation should be performed. In currying function, it's taking like it's returning the function again and again till the time we got all the arguments and we pass it that function. So this is a thing. And here we are calling upon functions. You can see here. So we convert it into the currying. You can make it as a currying sum. Currying sum, and we can call it here one by one. Okay. So you can see here. It will give you value to 5. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Yeah, 5. Yeah, that's correct. So, but the thing is, if the thing is, it's like we can do the same thing here also. We can directly make the sum function here and just return type one by one and just pass it its same variable to it. It will behave the same. But the thing is, we are to the more about it. Like if any function is there, it doesn't depend on the what type of like argument is passed upon. So it will do the work. Just like consider right now this function is there, but my main function is changed. So it's changing to the two variables. So if it's converted into the two variables, if I'm calling with the same currying function, so it's giving 3 to me. Okay. But my argument is I'm passing three arguments to it. Okay. But the another way is just if I'm calling in this way, it should work. Let's see. No, it's throwing error. So sorry, the error is different. So we can cover it up. Firstly, it's calling D, so we can change the name of it. And right now, just see, it will return to the value to you. It's returning C. Yes, it's returning C to you. It's saying like, yeah, you're calling twice only. So it's the only the things I'm returning a function to you. So that is pretty much things it's doing. Okay. If I'm calling twice with it, so I think this will also not work. Yeah, it's returning the function. To overcome that scenario, like Lodash did the same work. Like what it will do, it make like nobody can do the work like what I can say optimize work. So he did currying, making a currying same implementation what the technique I've told you. So it's just like a function that take multiple argument into the functions, chain of functions that take a single argument at a time, and just at the end of the all the parameters are supplied, it gives to the result to you. So, so that is pretty much. So we are making the same function just like load I stated. So how we can make it? So this is the same functions. Just commenting this, and this is the same function we are doing. Okay. So it will what it will take. We are taking targeting length of it, like target function, whatever the target function is, and what was the current argument function length is. So on that basic concept, we are using a bind and apply. So on bind, I used to just to bind the variables, to whatever the arguments. It's like the scope variables. I will get it upon. I will combining with that function. If I will get it all the variables, so then I'm calling to the function targeted function. Let's see what will be the result of it. Clear. You can see the result is same. One or two. It's taking two arguments. It's three. If you're taking four arguments, it's consider three. This thing C and D. And sorry, C. So this is the thing. So right now I'm just running up. Yeah. The thing is, we are passing three parameters only. If you're passing the fourth one, it will call you. Four. Here is four and 10. Yeah. So clearing this. Right now I'm getting the result. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 2 upon 3. Okay. 7 plus 3, 10. Same like 17. So that is pretty much in this video. So I'm putting this code into the bottom of the video. So you can just look it into the video. So that is pretty much. We will see you again. If you like this video, please share, subscribe it this channel to get the latest update of the JavaScript.